Hey guys, trust me when I say you are not going to want to miss this video. These are the best brioche buns you've ever put in your mouth. So join me and let's go. Once you have your mise en place or your ingredients set in place, then let's go ahead and make our beautiful brioche buns. To our mixer, we want to go ahead and add 500 grams of bread flour. We're going to add 7 grams of yeast, 45 grams of organic sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Dough hook. Get these mixing on low, just until they're combined. Next to our dough, we want to go ahead and add 2 eggs. I like to just put them in one at a time. This will add some nice richness and structure to our dough. And then we want to add 250 milliliters of warm milk. Make sure you're adding this slowly so it really incorporates with the dough evenly. Okay guys, so we got our dough mixing here. We want to just let it go for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're really just trying to develop some gluten before we add in our butter. You want to make sure that your butter is softened. I let mine sit out for about an hour just to come to room temp. You don't want it to be cold because you definitely don't want to chill this dough down at all. You want it to be warm, room temp. That's really going to help activate the yeast. So keep that in mind. So we'll let this go for 5 to 7 minutes and then we'll start adding our butter. I want to just go ahead and slow that down. I have 85 grams of softened butter here, and we just want to kind of pick that off in chunks. And the reason why you want it softened is because it's going to incorporate with the dough a little bit easier and a little bit better. Same as the milk, you want to incorporate this nice and slowly to really let that dough absorb the butter. So as you can see, it's starting to pull away from the side of the bowl. We're gonna let that mix for another probably 6 or 7 minutes. All right guys, so we got our beautiful dough here. It's gonna be a little bit sticky and that's totally fine. That's a brioche dough. It's a high hydration, very rich with those eggs and all that milk in there. That little bit of sugar that's gonna help caramelize. This dough is gonna be delicious. Trust me, just trust the process. Go ahead and cover this with plastic. We'll let it sit out in a warm place in a warm area of your kitchen or your home for about 60 to 90 minutes, just till it doubles in size. Then we're gonna take our dough, we're gonna divide it by 8 and then shape our dough again. Let it proof for another probably 45 to 60 minutes till those double in size, and then we'll bake them off. Absolutely delicious. All right guys, so we went ahead and let our dough bulk ferment. It's clearly doubled in size as you can see. So what I like to do, just because I like things a little bit more precise, and you should too, divide it by 8. So we got our sheet pans right here. We're going to weigh these out to 130 grams. And then I like to fold them in on themselves just to kind of create some surface tension on the very top. And then we'll go ahead and take them. And then you want to just roll towards you, but you're really kind of tucking it in the bottom as well. So you're kind of doing this motion while you're just curling the bun in on itself. I'm just gonna do 4 per tray. I think that's plenty. I also like to stagger these buns on the tray to avoid any contact with the other buns. Go ahead and lay some kitchen towels on top, and then we're gonna go ahead and proof these for at least 45 to 60 minutes until they doubled in size. Oh, fuck. All right, we'll go ahead and make an egg wash with 1 egg and just a little splash of milk. We'll go ahead and brush each one of your buns to make sure that they get a nice golden crust on top. Somebody asked me if I put Maldon on everything. The answer is yes, I do. And I absolutely love it. I sprinkled 4 of them with everything spice. Sesame seed and poppy seed is also a really good topping if you want to keep it simple. And the other 4, I just kept it simple with a little bit of Maldon sea salt. You want to go ahead and bake these off at 375 degrees. Mine took about 15 minutes and I turned them halfway. One little trick you can do is take a squeeze bottle, water, and just spray the bottom of your oven. This will create some steam and just really form that nice crust around our bread. Little chef trick. And then about halfway through, at like 7 minutes, we'll go ahead and flip these around and we'll do the same exact trick. Spray a little bit more water in there. You get those beautiful, sexy buns. Trust me, after you make these, there's no going back to another recipe. Now this blank canvas is yours. Go ahead and eat them plain with a little bit of butter or turn them into a beautiful burger or sandwich. I'm gonna show you just a little quick sneak peek of a burger that I did. Check out this recipe that I'm gonna post pretty soon after this one. But I wanted to make sure that I got this one out first so you guys knew how to make the buns. So pillowy in the middle, so soft. Oh my goodness, this is the best bun I think I've ever made, hands down. I'm gonna post this video next week on how to make your own burger patty with 3 different types of meat. Look at this delicious burger, some caramelized onions and also some quick pickles. Just a little lettuce to top it off. This was an outstanding burger, guys. Trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss that next video. So magnifique. Let's try these, guys. This is the biggest bite I think I'm ever gonna take in my life. Delicious, messy burger. Let's give this a whirl, see how we did. Oh my goodness. Well, guys, we did it. We made some beautiful hamburger buns. Don't have to be for hamburgers. You can use them for whatever. Sloppy Joes, pulled pork sandwiches, brisket sandwiches, whatever you like. Chicken sandwiches, barbecue chicken sandwiches. The point is, once you make these, you literally, whatever you put on it, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So I wanna thank you guys, as always. Coming back week after week means the world to me. I hope you share this video with some of your family and your friends that love to make bread or love baking. I truly think that they're gonna love this video. Go ahead and click over here to see what magic I created with these buns. We're gonna grind up some meat and make our own hamburgers, so definitely do not miss that video. But yeah, guys, as always, I can't wait to see you next week, and until then, get out there and bake some buns. Cheers.